How to pay Google AI Studio API key. Want to unlock higher limits in Google AI Studio? Let's set up billing and pay for your API key. So start by opening Google AI Studio and then head over into the Get API Key section. Now in here, you'll find all of the API keys you've created on Google AI Studio. So to create an API key, simply click on this Create API Key button at the top right, name your key, and then choose an imported project that you want to connect this key to. So to set up the billing, click on the Setup Billing button and that will take you here. So in here, you can go ahead and link your project into your credit card or debit card without billing. You'll stay on the free tier with limited usage. So you need to upgrade from the free tier to unlock higher limits. Tier 1 requires billing enabled, Tier 2 requires at least $100 payment, and Tier 3 requires $1,000. Each tier increases your monthly cap. Track usage in AI Studio and set budgets or alerts in Google Cloud Billing. This helps you avoid overspending, and that is how to pay Google AI Studio API key.